So yo mga bossing, welcome to my channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Alvin of Boy Bukas Toy Box, and I'm coming at ya. So if you're just new here, nice to meet you. At kung hindi pa, please don't forget to subscribe. At syempre, request ko lang, i-hit nyo na rin yung bell icon, so always updated kayo sa mga latest video ko. So today episode, we're gonna unbox this Transformer Bumblebee DLX collectible figure featuring Blitzwings. So this series is from ThreeZero and Transformers Hasbro. I'm really excited na to dahil medyo matagal ko na itong hinintay na makarating dito, pero finally we made it. And so let's go! Buksan na natin to. Let's do it! Mga bossing, let's do this. Let's unbox this one. So as you can see, here we go. Oh man, there you go. What an awesome sight. Ganda daw mga bossing. Actually, that's why I can wait for this one. I really like this one. Better than, sorry, but for Optimus Prime and Bumblebee version, so I really love this one. So there you go. So okay, let's do the karambit style. Okay. Let's do it. There you go. Oh, no more. Go. What else do we have here? Okay, so let's take it out. So there's two layers from this plastic tray. So this, let's see the bottom part first. So okay, here we go. There's some warranty sheet here. Oh, that's some small parts here. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So here's the manual. There you go. So here you go, this display stand. So standard, just change the color of this one, different colors. So see. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so these were the standard stand. Yeah, so this is the back wings, some missiles here, and some tail wings. So those are the parts. Okay. Over here is the figure. So okay, so there's a nice support, rubber support here. So we got a set of hands. So we got some. So we got some relaxed hands here. Yeah. So these are the set of action hands. Haba ng kuko. Matulis. So yeah. So those are rubber. Same as the relaxed hand, rubber. So we got some Electron Spike Blade here. So these two details is really awesome. I hope you guys can see it. It's really cool. So plastic PVC, and we got the like the backpack. So yeah. Okay. So no moving parts here. That's really cool. And the Null-ray Blaster. Oh man, that's a cool blaster here. So detailed, and the paint job is really awesome. Really like a greasy, you know, mechanical effects. It's like an engine. It's really cool. And then this patch, awesome, man. I love it. I feel like Christmas opening this one. Ooh, okay, kind of. Okay, some maybe just a plastic support here. There you go, embossing. Look at that details. Oh man, look at the face. So yeah. You can really identify the. This is it's a warplane. That's of like mechanical moving parts here. The detail is, oh man, that's really cool. Really cool details. So let's check the articulation. So usually I know there's a lot of articulation for this series. So yeah, let's do this. So there we go. it's pretty tight. It's just alright. So some more moving parts here. All the articulation is really tight. That was so awesome. You can really pause it. So there's no articulation in the body, but right here, the head, there's some neck. Yeah. You can also do that. So yeah, and some dito. So you can do some split. I don't know what looks awesome, right? You can do that. So great. So nice. So some there you go. You can see, and yeah, some cool stuff here. So you got really wheels here. It's not just pics or designs, and it's really made of rubber. So yeah, there's a lot of die-cast here going on, but so those are cool. And then for the head, so there's a on and off switch here, so you can push it, you can peel it. I don't know if you can hear it yet. There's a toggle sounds. There's a battery here, like a battery compartment. There you go. As usual, you need a a 2 AG13 battery here, and of course it's not included. Sorry about that, but yeah. So here you go, and then okay, there you go. It's easy. So yeah. So let's play. Let's assemble it. Okay, let's just build this one. So yeah. One go. And this one, so standard. Okay. bossing.